Kailangan mong gawin to, magsasalita ka kahit na mukha kang ewan. So I need to do this. And why do you want to do this? Because I want to live. Simple lang, I want to live. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Host Bogart. Nangarap na maging vlogger. Just dream to be a vlogger ever since. Reason why? Bakit mo gusto mag-vlog? Bakit mo gusto mag-document, mag-video, and share it to the world? Well, ang boring lang naman kung ako lang yung makakaintindi. Tapos nun, alam mo yun, sa bawat adventure na isang tao, gusto mo ikwento. Okay, lagi natin gusto ikwento. For example, pumunta ka sa ibang bansa. You wanna take pictures, videos, tapos nun, uy, alam mo ba, may ganito akong nagawa, tapos ganito, tapos ganyan. Kasi you wanna share. It's innate for a person to share their experience. Okay, kaya nga tayo nagsusulat ng libro, gumagawa ng kanta, gumagawa ng palabas, kasi we want to share. And that's what I'm doing. Nakapunta na tayo lahat sa La Union, nakapunta na tayo sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. There's a video out there of what I'm about to do. But this is different, diba? Ako to eh. Ikaw yan. Papayag ka ba na porket nakapunta na ibang tao, hindi ka na pupunta doon? Papayag ka ba na porket sila nakapunta na doon sa lugar, na videoan nila, hindi mo na-videoan? Hindi, di ba? Gusto natin meron tayong sarili. Akin yon. So, your Manila boy is going to travel. For example, here, Ilocos Norte. And then, is it just traveling for the sake of new things? No! Ang reason natin kung bakit tayo nag-video is to live. To live, just 100% living, bro. 24 hours is so short. Kasi 8 hours doon tulog mo. Okay? Tapos 8 hours tulog. You have to work. I'm working right now. So I work 9 hours. So 8 plus 9 hours. I'm left with estimate 7 hours. So 7 hours ng buhay mo every day. What are you supposed to do? So we're going to take the opportunity to live life every minute, every hour ng buhay natin. And we're going to think, is this worthwhile? Is this worth it to spend my time doing this? Uy, di ba ang astig nun? Yung idea na, uy, anong pinapanood mo? Si Bogart, siya travel siya dito, tapos sobrang grabe, sobrang productive niya. Kasi ako, pangarap ko yun. I'm in the 5% productivity. I wanna be 100%. Yung pag-uwi mo, yung pag matutulog ka na, you can't think of anything else but sleep. Dahil sobrang pagod yung katawan, sobrang pagod yung isip, sobrang kailangan mag-rest ng kaluluwa, you need to rest. Yun yung mga moments na gusto kong magawa. That's it for my first vlog, mga idol. Hindi to magiging, well, I'll try na hindi maging diary to. But it's gonna be like a diary, it's gonna be a vlog, kasi I'm going to log everything in my life, every day, hopefully. Ang pinakamahirap lang dito, guys, alam niyo kung ano? Pag-e-edit. Sa totoo lang, guys, hindi talaga ako mahilig mag-edit. The reason na kailangan mag-edit, kasi yung video na ginawa ko, ako lang yung nakakaintindi. So, kailangan ko ma-interpret yung video na yon sa pag-e-edit ko. Number 2, ito pag-camera. Well, it's kung pwede lang hindi mag-camera tapos ma-document yun, maganda yun, pero hindi. So kailangan kong gawin to. I'm 24 years old pa lang, hindi pa ako 25 years old. And sure, pag umabot na tayo ng 30, talagang focus na tayo sa mga responsibilities natin. But for now, guys, I will be your test dummy. I will be your sacrifice to see the adventures of life. Kasi eto pa lang, mga idolo, patikim lang kung nasan ako. Woo! Ba, lupit! Okay ba? Like guys, ano pa lang to? View pa lang yung ginagawa natin. More to come. Hopefully maging worth it to watch, guys. And sa mga nanonood, maraming salamat po. It's your boy, Host Bogart. Bye-bye!